Hi guys, Tyler with MarineMax Houston. Today, I'm on this Grady-White 216 Fisherman. This boat's powered by a Yamaha 300 horsepower V6 outboard, pushing this boat to 50 miles an hour plus all day long. You see along the transom area, you get a nice jump seat. You've got a ski pylon with some cup holders, freshwater shower, and you'll notice on the starboard side, if you flip this butt cushion over, it's actually a nice casting pad or pad to get on and off the dock. Up at the console helm area, got some nice rod holders, knife storage, and under the starboard helm chair, got a huge insulated live well box. In this rear area of the boat, you'll also notice port and starboard, we've got nice put away rod storage with a tow kick on either side while you're fishing. Here at the helm station, you'll notice this boat's equipped with a Garmin MFD already, Yamaha Helm Master control. You've got your trim tab controls, Yamaha shift binnacle, and your Fusion audio head unit. As we make our way forward, you'll see that this boat has a nice size head for a boat this size with pump out abilities on the toilet. Then you'll see along the gunnel is your JL speakers that your Fusion head unit powers. Now that we're at the front bow area of the boat, you'll see we've got a nice little bench seat in front of the console, fit for two comfortably. You've got some flip-up bolsters on either side seat, which is a great place to sit, lay out, hold on, have your drink, and watch as you're underway. If you're looking for a boat like this, please feel free to give me a shout. Thank you.